Hello, my friends and fans. Greetings from me to you. Greetings and blessings from Family Chef. We are still on fish diet, right? Look at me. It's working. I don't have any bye. It's a little bit here, okay? I'm losing. Today, I'm going to prepare a beautiful protein healthy stew for you, okay? I'm going to prepare beans stew. We are still on a fish diet, so I'm going to use all fish, no meat, okay? Please bear with me. Let's get started. I'm going to prepare beans stew, okay? This is black eye beans. I soak it about 30 minutes, okay? If you like your beans to cook fast, you should soak it. I soak it about 30 minutes. So this is the style of the show. I have about 4 cups of beans. I have my canned tuna because I'm still on diet. I have my canned tuna. I have my coconut oil. So I have half of bluefish. I have my palm oil. I'm using coconut oil combining with palm oil because I like the flavor of coconut oil. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can use regular oil. I have my nutmeg. I have to grate it. I have 1 teaspoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of Jamaica curry powder, and I have my pepper. I have about 6 tomatoes here. I have 2 onions, and I have my Kobe. Please, if you don't know Kobe, it's like dry tilapia fish. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can go without it. And I have 1, 2, 3, about 4 yellow plantains. Okay, so this is all about the ingredients I'm going to use. So let's get started. I need to cook the beans before I start everything. Okay, the beans will cook for 1 hour. We are going to let these beans cook for 45 minutes. Then I'll add salt. Let's let beans cook, and we'll be back and show you how to cut the ingredients. Okay, now my beans is cooked about 45 minutes. Half teaspoon of baking powder here goes in the beans. Half teaspoon of salt go in. If you see this foam, that's fine. Don't be worried, okay? Don't put the lid too close because of the baking powder. All right, it goes halfway like that. So when it comes here, you see I have my pan. Going to start the stew. All right, the peppers and everything. I'm going to cut this small pieces. Chop this. The palm oil is still waiting. I'm going to peel all the skin from the fish. If you don't have bluefish, that's fine. You can use can of tuna. Okay, if you have this kind of tuna, it's enough for the bean stew. If you have rest of the fish you want to add, that's fine. Okay, so let's cut the veggies and start the stew. Okay guys, I have my pepper here. Okay, let's push to aside. I'm going to cut this pepper and chop it. I have my food processor here. These tomatoes is already washed. We need to cut the onions too. beans is done. So let me turn this fire off. On this fire, I have my pan here. I'm waiting for the pan to heat. Then I'll add my coconut oil first. Then later I'll add palm oil because I want to add the coconut oil first. My onions and my Kobe is going in. I'm going to blend my Italian sweet pepper, okay? Alright, this is how I like it. I'm going to add my palm oil. Pepper. You remember the pepper I blend? Right, so let's wait this bubble a little bit. I will add the tomatoes, then we go from there. I'm going to add my fish. Okay, now you can tell the stew is doing good. Now it's time to put our beans in. Okay, we have the beans here. So maybe I'll add quarter teaspoon of salt, just a pinch of it because the beans have salt already. And I'm putting my Jamaica curry powder. You don't have to use Jamaica curry powder if you are not a fan of it. I always said you can use any spices, your choice. This is not meat. I'll let this bubble for another 5 minutes. Because I'm losing weight, I'm going to boil the cocoa. You can fry them. If you fry them, it tastes so good. I'm going to boil them. The food is ready. Let's serve it. Oh my gosh. This is so good. I boiled the cocoa. See the beans. Let's garnish with parsley. Go to the table. Okay, guys. Now you can see the food is ready. Aren't you jealous? My goodness, you see this cocoa. I cooked the cocoa, all right? I did not fry them because I want to get rid of the fat in my system because I'm losing weight.